Hey everyone, it's Jamie. Welcome back, and if you're new here, then welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. In today's video, I will be showing you how I made this really pretty whimsical wreath using the Ruffle method. So if you'd like to see how I do this, then please keep watching. I will be using a 14-inch Dollar Tree wreath frame. I'm going to wire the wreath frame by starting with one pipe cleaner in the middle of the section and wiring the two inner rings together. Then I'm going to take another pipe cleaner and drop down, going from the left weld seam in about 1.5 inches and wire the two outer rings together. Then I'm going to take another pipe cleaner and going from the right weld seam in about 1.5 inches and wire the two outer rings together. I will do the same thing to the remaining sections with 3 pipe cleaners per section, giving me a total of 18 pipe cleaners. Here is how it will look with all the pipe cleaners added. I will be using this 10-inch orange mesh from Hobby Lobby and this 10-inch black mesh from Walmart, and I will cut 18 pieces of each to 20 inches long. I will be making ruffles. To make the ruffles, I'm going to take a piece of mesh, lay it flat, put something on the end to weight it down. Then I'm going to go to the bottom, find the middle, and with my thumbs I'm going to push up and walk my fingers up the mesh, pulling the mesh toward me. When you're done, it should look like a bow. Now I'm going to add the ruffles to the wreath. I will be adding 2 ruffles to each pipe cleaner. I'm going to take each ruffle and place them side by side. Then I'm going to start with the inner middle pipe cleaner and place the ruffles in the pipe cleaner going vertically, with one finished edge going toward the center of the wreath and the other finished edge going toward the outer part of the wreath. Then I'm going to secure the pipe cleaner with a couple of twists. Then I will fluff out the ruffles. I will add ruffles to the remaining inner pipe cleaners. Here is how it looks with the ruffles added to the 6 inner pipe cleaners. Next, I'm going to add the ruffles to the outer pipe cleaners the same way I did the 6 inner pipe cleaners, by placing the ruffles vertically in each pipe cleaner and securing the pipe cleaner with a couple of twists, then fluffing out the ruffles. Here's how it looks with all the ruffles added. Now I'm going to remove the 6 inner pipe cleaners since I will not be needing them, by twisting the pipe cleaner a few more times, then snipping off the ends. Then I will fold over the nubs. I will be using this 3-inch ribbon from Hobby Lobby and this 2.5-inch ribbon from Dollar Tree to make ribbon tails. I will be cutting 6 pieces of each of the ribbon to 14 inches long and dovetailing the ends. To make the ribbon tails, I'm going to take a ribbon, fold it in half to find the center, Then I'm going to gather it in the middle. This forms the ribbon tails. To add the ribbon tails, I'm going to locate a pipe cleaner. Then I'm going to place the ribbon in the middle of the pipe cleaner going vertically and secure with a couple twists. Then I'm going to take the ribbon tails and bring them downward, laying them side by side. I will add ribbon tails to each of the outer pipe cleaners, alternating the ribbons. Here's how it should look with the ribbon tails added. I will be using this sign I got from Temu. I am using floral wire from Dollar Tree to thread through the holes on the sign so that I can attach it to the wreath. I'm going to add the sign by placing it where I want it, then feeding the wire through the mesh to the back of the wreath and securing it to the frame. Once the sign is in place, I'm going to pull out some of the ruffles from underneath to frame the sign so that the sign is nestled in the wreath. I will be using this mesh tubing from Dollar Tree. I'm going to make loopy bows by taking the tubing, putting them together. Then I'm going to measure out about 4 inches for the tail. Then I'm going to measure out 8 inches. Then fold it over and hold on to it. Then I'm going to measure out another 8 inches. Then fold that over, hold on to it. Then I'm going to measure out another 4-inch tail, then cut. This forms the loopy bows. I'm going to take the bow and locate a pipe cleaner with the polka dot ribbon tails and place the bow in the pipe cleaner, then secure with a couple of twists. I will add loopy bows to only the pipe cleaners with the polka dot ribbon tails. Next, I'm going to go in and remove the pipe cleaners since I will not be needing them by twisting them a few more times, then snipping off the ends and folding over the nubs. Now I'm going to add a bow. I did not film me making the bow, but I do have a bow tutorial I will link in the description box if you would like to go and watch it. I'm just going to feed the pipe cleaner through the mesh to the back of the wreath, then secure it to the frame. Once the bow is in place, I'm going to fluff it out a little, but I will fluff it more once the wreath is done. I will be using these pumpkin picks from Dollar Tree and some of these glitter ball picks also from Dollar Tree. I cut the pumpkin picks down a little shorter. I'm going to start gluing them where I want them using hot glue. Then I'm going to pull off the orange balls and I'm going to glue the beaded one to the center of the bow. Then the orange glitter balls I'm going to glue to the center of each of the pipe cleaners with the black and white ribbon tails. Then I'm going to add the black balls to the remaining polka dotted ribbon tails. And here is how the wreath turned out. I think this is super cute. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. I wanted to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye!